So no girl can't prove no blood clot pint for me. Cause remember say, hold on, I'm mad, for mad. Hold on. Add moderator. The phone all easier for add mod. What Chrissy there? Add moderator. Confirm. Kamika, no mad? Now she a mad over here? Good. You go come over here and talk about him after give me. Like me did I stop no blood clot food for you. Me ever stop nothing for you? Me know you from no blood clot where? Where me know you from? Me ever see you yet? Where me know your blood clot from? From you start your shenanigans on the blood clot TikTok and you go on and you bring down the boy. Me never want my mouth. Me never want my mouth. Because me I want girl to get involved in a baby mother and baby father blood clot argument. It is not my fight. Because me never dead when you need a fuck. And all if I last night you go fuck him back, it has nothing to do with me. Once you now fuck him in my blood clot bed. The end idea, you don't have strings attached. All fire stick easy for catch. My fire stick can't auto. No. My fire stick can't auto. No. You chew a shades for the boy and you bring down the boy. Nobody no send nothing to you. Me name no call. Me no do nothing. Me no send nothing. All in the big fuck girl them in your comment section and say, Lord more soon come. You hear what your remarks? Bomb I go drop. Make sure come at me drop bomb. Hey girl, you can't have no bomb for drop for blood clot me. Where you go come talk say? Where you go say something where everybody say? Me a mine man. Him no want me. You still did a fuck him. All everything where you go say can't you. Cause you don't know nothing about blood clot me. I'm never beg you yet. And me no know you. I'm a head blood clot shark. Me no know you from nowhere. And we no care about that. You got just add to blood clot list. Of him no wanting me. And him, all if him call you and class and bring me down. I hear blood clot baby father. Cause remember anything the boy class and bring me down, boy. Can't tell me in front of my blood clot face. Yes, me that Jamaica. Just do what you have to do. Cause you have some beer badness. And him have to give him supposed to blood clot gear. Now out of your big pussy your picnic come. You don't have a big blood clot pussy where your picnic come out of. When fuck you and breed you. Well, so you say. So all that are my blood clot problem. Not my big pussy my picnic then come from too. And don't stand up like a blood clot G. You come run up in this like you have blood clot secret for me. Big fuck out, girl. You have blood clot secret for me. I know you're from the blood clot way. You have your baby father blood clot drama. And you want to come drag me in it. My business about blood clot, you know. And last time I check and I take care of mine. And when Vavi have it in blood clot send it. And my baby father can come on the media right now. Come tell you say. Me and him no worry about money and something. Because when him no blood clot have it, me can't go choke him. And when he not time for Kingston, me can't blood clot choke him and say, come have time. Because at the end of the day, the penny them a get big. And the penny them a got choose. When me think me know why your blood clot problem. You see true you can't get for turn your penny mind against him blood clot father. It come like you eat him more. And the things them what you do, it come like you eat your blood clot penny too. Because me look for any girl who come on this. Come talk and go on and go on. I bring down your blood clot pitney. And your pitney you bring down. I look up pitney style that a 2020 style when we are run back a blood clot boy. For can spend time on mine pitney. And we can go fuck. And we can go fuck and go do it by our blood clot self. And when the pitney then get big, if they still choose their father for them blood clot business. Because as a parent, the only thing you have to go worry about, I say you do the right thing for your youth them. When you worry about boy and this and that, and man, girl and them something there for. Like you fuck girl. Me no fuck girl, you know. So you couldn't get me for blood clot fuck. Me no fuck girl. Me no fuck blood clot girl. The only responsibility me have as a blood clot mother, of a mother my blood clot own, are the only responsibility that me blood clot have. To be a mother to my own. It's two of them. And if me have a father and a blood clot, because last week Friday I got blood clot graduation for Paris. Me never miss a father. No father showed up. No rightful father, no stepfather, no father at all, no blood clot show up. You understand? And it never bother me one bit, because guess what? Me did dead with my broad back, big pussy self for my man now. Because you can't cuss me and tell me nothing, go suck your mother. You can't cuss me and tell me nothing. All if I in there, you all him there when me da foreign, it has nothing to do with me. Because if a man you want to talk about, we can talk about man. And if a pitney you want to talk about, we can talk about blood clot pitney. Me no run back a boy for do nothing at all for them blood clot pitney. Because sir, when my pitney them get blood clot big, they still a go see me and them a go say, she remember me. Remember when Paris did little and she never liked me. And look at her now. You know, sister, she hold me a cold bomb, set me, I'ma cry. And she said, Mom, I could play it for you so good. I'm going to play it for you. And this is what mother do. Go learn to mother up your blood clot self. Go learn to mother up your blood clot self. Who remember that video? Go learn to mother up your blood clot self. And come off from a blood clot back. Me see ya? Pussy, me see ya? From what you try me. You try me. Me see ya do it for spite. Like you want to look trouble. Like a trouble you look.
Everything.
Listen good. Like I say if I can put it on our speaker. You know what listen good? And them something and me live for. Me not live. Me not live for boy. Can't do what them want do. Me live for what me want do. Alright, ear speech. Here are, I remember you did the graduate. And you spent most of your life praying that you could be here for this moment. Where is the Paris? Yeah. As much as you wear this cap and gown, you wear it too. Because every step of the way you were there for me. And yes, so she start bad. If you never know what she said, that she said. Because every step of the way you were there for me. And that we talk about. And that we talk about. And that me business with. You think my business about a boy when I want to do nothing for him blood clot pitney. Anything me eat, the pitney have to eat. Anything me drink, the pitney have to drink. Any shelter me under, the pitney have to blood clot under. And any man no want be in a pitney life for them blood clot business. It is not mine. So you do what you do with your baby father, girl. Don't call me blood clot name. Because when you did a fuck and I get him, I never blood clot there. I have to remember say Karma is a blood clot bitch. Because you feel like you have secret for me. Big fuck out, Cindy. Are you me a chat? Because you come up in this, I'm not even afraid for calling him. Big fuck out, Cindy. Are you me a talk? Because I'm not going to do that hanky panky blood clot story there and shade like what you do on blood clot TikTok. Yeah. Are you me a chat? You never did know so when you take your best friend blood clot man. And this is that going to happen to you. Because I'm take on to blood clot later. You never did know so when you take him from your best friend and care news for your best friend. And them blood clot thing you that going to happen. You never did know. So when you fucky like dog, fuckery I go reach you know. I know something you don't know. Move your blood clot. Mama tell you something, when you know fucky, I want to bring down girl, you have to know no blood clot do it. You never did know. When you know fucky, you can't come bring me down. Not a relationship, me do all of the boy them that want me, them have a blood clot stay till me ready to lift up. Or them ready to lift up. Because remember say me is a bipolar bitch. You never did know. I say go. You make a video? Oh, when you used to sleep with him, your back did that hurt you. You sleep, you're there with him from him bed where your back hurt you. And then you fell in love. I could never fall in love with my best friend, man. Cindy, me could never fall in love with my best friend, man. And then carry news from my best blood clot friend to the boy. And in the time, you saw you cry, you want to come about blood clot me? You want to come about me? Cindy, we are not the blood clot same. We and I see me could never have a blood clot friend and clear and I write big for me that me fall in love. Me could never your friend tell you everything. And when you're ready, you get up and got your friend a friend. Then you style your friend. And every little thing where your friend blood clot though. You tell back your man till the man start fuck you. No in same time say you fuck the man friend. Send me a your blood clot, see him. You're crazy. Cause any of him and the boy your friend, but couldn't fuck the boy. So you there with him friend, your friend there with him. Then you end up fuck your friend man and breed for your friend man. And you want to come by me? Cindy come lick out my blood clot. We are not the same. Tata the putty cat, I got you. What the bomb the way I got drop on blood clot me? Cause me know you never know somebody did have this for you. Remember real talk. Just like how you hear things about me. Just like how you feel like you hear things about me and you have bomb for drop. And one thing you have to know about me, I bring down my blood clot self morning, noon and night. Nobody don't have to bring me down. Remember sometimes I like myself and sometimes nobody like myself. Remember some bipolar and a blood clot. But Cindy, we are nice see him. Your friend and him there. You there with him friend. You know what's so crazy? When we meet the boy, you know the boy introduced the same friend the way you used to fuck? Him brother. I mean never ever hear him call him a friend. Him call him blood clot brother. Up to this day, him call him brother. I mean, I tell you, oh, he's a gullible, nasty, fuck out, idiot, blood clot girl. And you want to come, me say, his name Karma. You never know. You never know, say, Karma name. When you take money, you can't take your friend, man. You can't, a curse. A curse. A curse. Come and know the girl tell you everything. If that girl was your bestie for true, you know everything. And when hey, people come, story nice. See, you know, say the girl look like so she have a look on your mouth, man. And you know, say Cindy go back go tell her baby father, say, you know, say the girl on your mouth to a man. You mash up a girl money. You mash up a girl life. You do everything to a girl. All me know say the girl right now, I said, thank you, Jesus. Somebody contact it. You know how much ears this day in her belly. But remember, say my love chat. And remember, say your trouble, me go suck your mother Cindy. Me and you in a blood clot state. You used to fuck Tenn Point best friend when him call brother. And then you start fuck him after. You a fuck the friend, your friend a fuck 10. Then you end up fuck 10 and breed for 10. After you inform for your friend. And you want to come stop with me? No friend not have that to say about blood clot me. No friend not have that. You want to come for me that come chew a shade. Go shade out your mother big pussy. And go suck your mother. Your blood clot bright. I'm in a trouble here. I'm in a blood clot trouble here. So anything you get now, you for blood clot get. Because you're too fucky. And I compose. If you didn't know, you only breed for him. You never did for breed for him because your best friend blood clot, man. You never know. You go like I did threesome. See, you never threesome. So if you go breed for your best friend, man. You got to be kid. You never know as a God know for both. And bath. That is a boof bath. So any bomb where you got drop from me, line them up and come. Remember my heart for dead. Remember some coming like cat. A 72 life me have. Remember some 72 life me have. Then when some man doing some things, you know want to go like say a blood clot, you know want to control people. You go up on your social media. You go up on your social media and shade me out blood clot. All the man depend. Okay, don't answer. Don't answer. And me now go tell no lie. Me now go pick up fame. When the boy blood clot have it, the boy do it. So me don't know who now in your blood clot head. This minute, you cost about money. One next minute, you cost about time. One day you cuss and say, another money me a cuss, boy. I just want to spend time with the baby. And when you see me, I tell him about quotas. Make up your blood clot mind. Jamaica design for stretch out what until we be able father them and we stop fuck them. Cause when they send the pitney around the man them all have to pitney them with them mother then cause the worse if it's a big blood clot yard. And me and your blood clot problem. You worry about my do body? Me never take my baby money go do nobody. Me supposed to do my body. You see, just like how me supposed to take care of my pitney them. Anyhow, my sister me never have no stiff breast. And me can't pay feet. Them I got stiff no blood clot. Anyhow, my sister me never, my belly did too big. It a got flat no blood clot. Anyhow, my sister too much space did that between my teeth. Me I got veneer then no blood clots. And my money do it. But in all of that, my pitney them never hungry. They never ever travel never pepper. They never ever travel ever pepper hungry. Me never use my pitney money them on mine no boy. Me never use my pitney them money. I do nothing for nobody. They are taken care of. We not live at Jamaica again. And nobody not live in a Kingston room. Me have top blood clot mother. And we not live a foreign. And Paris have our blood clot mansion. See, you see any man want to sell my mind, I true me can blood clot afford it because it never make my pitney hungry, no dear. Kingston don't live here. And Kingston room seem currently them still up. And I can do this in the car bed with my feet up. Your blood clot bright. Yeah. And the whole line winter jacket them still in them closet. And him have him TV and him have everything. So when me forget money from my man, so move your blood clot. Anything when I want in a body, I'm supposed to give them. Anything one want to say about me, you know if you say it about me. Me I rent out Kingston room. Me never trouble you. Me never trouble you. Cause guess what? If you want him there, you as a mother feel like say him now do the right thing, you're supposed to argue with him about it if you want to. A phone no business, right, Louise? Anybody and them baby mother and baby father war, don't want to stay out of it. So if you feel like saying now do the right thing, and you want to cuss him for do the right thing, a fee and business, the only thing me can, listen to me, I tell you the truth, you know. You see me now cuss my baby father them for do the right thing. Me never cuss nobody for do the right thing, you know, because all we are big blood clot people. Him a big man, me a big man, you a big man. This is not the time for you walk around a spoon feeding a blood clot body for doing the right thing. When it come on to them pitney. You do what you have to do as a big pussy girl. Cause a big pussy girl me a do what me a do. As a fuck out girl me a do what me a do. As a girl when a man know what me a do what me a do. As a mind man girl me a do what me a do. When it come on to my blood clot pitney them. You want to paint this picture to the world like this man has never been a part-time child life. Stop it, man. Me did enough time and seen do without. And seen do without and do. You see no man a spend no blood clot time with no pitney. But if that's what you want and you want war about it, you and him war about it, you never need for company media. You know how that look? You just want to bring down the dog. I say look. Because same like how you and him can have other conversation where you claim say your style and not done me. And all of this, you could have the same conversation there when it come on to your blood clot pitney. You want to come in my comment section, come about blood clot, me go suck your mother. We are known as a Jamaican society for man not take care of them blood clot pitney. It is not the first news or the second news. 99.9% of we Jamaican grow up with no father. You see none of we blood clot dead? You see none of we dead? The whole of we pitney them now go to school. When September morning come, we pitney them now outside. Not far away. So any picture with you want come paint, it now go nowhere. Because all of we grow so. So my time you make the man not come film neither. Because man always say to me, I have no money figure. Me not grow in our yard because be a screw. Now me understand. Because I say man them stay. I say man them stay. If a man them not no money figure with them now come. Then now come to pity them just so. And one thing I can tell you. You see any disaster where you try bring down pan the dog or do what you do Cindy, if son eat him, it now go up more. Because me can tell anybody this. That little boy that have the man there as in blood clot era. So you have to go try hard. And the next thing I know about him stubborn like him blood clot father. So his mind I got hard for change. You can't change your mind against him father. If that was that you try though. And you can't go bring him down. Because remember say enough father not take care of them pitney. Put your finger up. Put your finger up if your baby father take care of his kids. Halfway. Half a finger. Put your finger up. Put your finger up. If a man then come for you, put them and make them stay for all 1 week. Put your finger up if your baby father asks you pitney by himself to go on vacation. Put your finger up if a man, if he come for you for 1 day and give money and lunch money. Give money and lunch money for you 1 day. Put your finger up if your baby father love post your pity them when he dress up. Finger up if your baby father act excited when him see him pitney them and he know he not put $1. We can do this all blood clot day. As your pitney pass you one good school, you hear my son that or my daughter. Put your finger up if your baby father want to tell you, say, hey girl, don't make your man put your hand on my pitney and he know he not do one shit. Put your finger up with your guy road and ears or your baby father talk about your pitney them big and bold like him and millions him a spend and nothing no go so. Put your finger up with your ears so your baby father talk proud and pitney. I know I not do not know. Put your finger up as the man keep a pitney and post one picture with him. Put your finger up saying no, say ma come on back tonight and can't keep him for 2 days. Put your finger up if your baby father have family in the house and them take care and pitney them. We can do this all day. And I make that example to show you that you cannot force no man to do what they don't want to do. Because you know at the end of the day, a lot of men weren't grown, never raised like that. They don't know nothing about fathering. 99% of Jamaican man fathering is giving them kids money. That's it. And that a father for Jamaican man. And no one no one accept it. But that are just a raw truth. And money. Grew a Jamaican man. And here what? We the woman brought them that way. Because as we see we baby father will stretch out to hand. Also a phone call coming. See you know saying shoes did mash up. And teacher send one little booklet. I'm going to buy book September. Baby mothers are hustlers. We are. From we hear the man call and say, you know, so I want to send one little. It not a problem what have all the one them want to exist. Because we are take everything because we don't know when we are going to get back no more. Right, Louise? Baby girl. Baby blood clot girl. Me know a woman that live in their house with their man and the people they still don't know a man. And the woman live in their house with her blood clot man. You think you might carry them gun away? I do not know for them. All you want knows say them bed, eat and sleep and shit. That's all the man care about. They don't care for inner them presence. None at all, none at all. All man care about are them pitney eat, sleep, look good, shit, go to school. Either them a play a part or not. Come, I can tell you this. You see a boy when a mind in pitney, we fuck up a blood clot boy or a girl for pitney. No! You just swear I say. Come here no man. Me say a man when I have nothing at all for give him pitney that do not know. Make somebody ever touch him pitney when not mine. A murder! To all them go on, you just swear, sir, every week you get one piece of money. Oh, Shani is. Yeah. Me give a follow back, mama. I'm a backup page this though. When the right truth come for talk the truth, we are talk the truth. If a man not do the right thing, we're going to say him not do the right thing. But he never need for come here, so you push it yourself. And when you see say, I'm not trouble you just push and push. And when you see say, him not answer you just push and push. One more you want. For you up on the media go on with all of this no make no sense. You go on like say he has... let the girl them what can tell you say. You know who for come on media and go on? A girl them what can tell you say. From me have my baby, me never see my baby father. And you not see them on media go on like blood clot you. Attention you want so? Yeah, people can tell you right now say, my pitney at 13 and from me baby at 3 last time my man give money. My baby father give him something or see him. And they accept it and go. Because the end of the day, kids grow up. But you want company media and paint this picture like the boy never, ever, Trevor, ever, pever, do nothing for him blood clot pitney. And that you want do. I say you want, you act like him never pick him up. You act like him never pay a school fee. You act like say you did give him blood clot something for put on. Because I can tell you this. When man and woman not there, and who have a pitney always do most work. I can tell you that as a mother. So stop going like say, but you use a big pussy girl, you just want to act like a big pussy girl. Me understand. You play your part. If you want cuss a man, you not bring down the man, you not call on the whole and family man, bring him down and see if you can draw for a meet, no? You come over here, sir. You trouble him, man, you trouble me. You trouble him, man, you trouble me. And you want left out the parts, eh? You want left out the parts, eh? Your best friend, man, your blood clot take and breed. While you the fucking friend. Go suck your mother. I'm gonna start ringing it in your blood clot. Because you see, me never listen to me. Me never go concern nothing in a girl. You not even know. Me never business. I know my blood clot fight. But you are over there and the people them in your comment section attack and say, I saw him blitz here and him this and that. I want him woman. Want to which blood clot woman. And the girl them in your comment section talk about want him woman. And me did fuck and get no pitney. And them fuck and get them pitney. When you want come tell me say, like how you walk and, oh, man, no want her and in the back, he did fuck me and him have me up, ray. I'm a head shark blood clot Cindy Pearl. Big head blood clot Bodo head Cindy. Go suck your mother and lift up her from a blood clot name. Because me not see you. Me not get involved in a cocky and pussy argument when me never did it. And I hear baby blood clot father. Remember say me and him not have no strings attached. A little love string will pop up. The only string of me and him have attached, a little love string will pop up. And every time we love string pop, we tie it back. So when I did them, I tie them, I go blood clot pull out. And you have pitney for him, and your pussy him for come down out. Anytime I feel like, now only say baby father and baby mother never stop fuck. I say you go call the next woman name and everything you get pussy. and everything you get. You never did like the first woman. Yes, it's a problem you have, a woman problem you have. You never did like the first woman. You hate the first woman. You talk out of your blood clot mouth. You hate the woman like Paizo. And just 3 women start reach out, and I say she still love the pitney, and still want the nice things see pitney. All of a sudden, you're the woman turn bestie. But come here, Cindy. You never did tell the woman say, when the man and the woman there, as the woman fly out, over your yard, man there. You never, me don't know how no heart so strong. Hey, you know wicked, you know? As the woman gone, are you that a fucking man? But are you a baby father? Nobody business with your baby father penis. But you's a drunker. You's a skirmish. Cindy, dig up police. You see in your yard? Dig up your dirt. Go lay down. Cindy, come down now. Cindy, dig up some dirt in your yard. What fit your body type and go lay down. No, go lay down. If dog them in your yard, you use back your dirt and cover you. As time, you do too much. No, it's too blood. See, you can't get sir. As how can I? Me that want borrow piece of your heart, you know. Me don't want to hold it. Me don't want to hold your heart, but to own your blood clot, wicked girl. Piece, you wanna we that take piece of your heart for bust back some of them wickedness, yeah. And you don't want peace. Me just don't want to look at peace. Come on, wicked to one boy. Me should have all your heart all wait. Cindy, you wicked here. Cindy, go dig up your dirt. Go dig up your dirt and go lay down there. Yeah, the nice sun at. Guys, the sun at Jamaica. Hey, if me eat one woman, you know, when me and a man there, me and the man left, you know, me eat one woman. Me and the woman, Alright, even if me and the woman talk, you know, me no want the woman blood clot money. All if the woman call me and say she want them sitting nice in my pitney, me go just remember how me eat her. But I can't sit on the stay. But remember, say this is you know. If you can fuck your best friend, man, and take him away and breed for him. Cindy, at this point, we fuck our dog, rat. Cindy fuck rat. Cindy fuck cat. Cindy fuck the best friend. Cindy fuck the man. Cindy, you pussy busy and bad do for your top girl. For your natural body top girl, you run it red. Blood clot. Cindy, Cindy, come here. Cindy, are you on the clinic gravity at this point? Cindy, you bad, sir. Pine for Cindy. Cindy, you bad. Cindy, I'm afraid of you. Cindy, no, seriously, I'm afraid of you. Cindy, your pussy on fire and chon, pop. So Cindy, before you come for the media, come bring down the boy. Bring down yourself first. And you know, so you gotta bring down yourself and tell yourself the truth. You do this. Because me have to go looking at myself and say, so me really want to go blood clot war with the man and bring him down for the media. Knowing say, oh, me know the man and my best friend man me take. While me that fuck the man best friend and me that fuck the man best friend. Cindy a whole heap of wickedness that they say no Cindy. Come on, lick your good. You're a God bless girl. Me I tell you why. Come here show you something about karma. You see, because you hurt your friend. Plus, you used to fuck the man best friend. Normally, no father who no show up in a Cindy. Your pitney would not have no father. I saw karma go for true girl. Your pitney would not have no father. You'd have just left alone. But a man mind the pitney and the man accept the pitney. So that's a one good sign for your girl. God know. You're not so bad. Look like you have some little praying people around you. But your pussy bad. You're wicked. You know what I ask you? When the baby come around and say, Mommy, I see uncle and call the best friend name. How you feel? Murder! Cindy, if me that you me not feel fuck up. Cindy, me not feel fuck up your fuck. Cindy, God no. No, how you feel? Nothing happen. Cindy, when the baby come home and say me did over uncle such and such. How you feel? Cindy, me not feel fuck up. Me couldn't do best friend. He me that share belly. Me never bring you. God do it. Me never bring me. Me no so brave. Fun and joke aside. Cindy, I raw truth boss. Take off my hat to you. I have never met another human so daring and bold and strong as you. To come do all of that on the media. You are brave. You should be the next Cindy of the Maroon. And a mackerel alone. A whole heap you take on, my general. Mackerel take on Guyanese, but a whole heap you take on. General. General Cindy. Cindy use a general. Cause one thing a man could have used and kill your blood clot career. And I say, hey girl, you want fuck yes, man I look pan a pitney. Cause right now, man not even, and he never did that to you. Him and him family love that child, you fuck. Give that to him, man. Give that to him, cause you know. In granny and in grandfather love him, you fuck. Me love him. I'm a boy. All when you don't want him come back around me. Me love him. I'm a boy. And nothing that I ever have and can give him will not be too much. Any blood clot friend can tell you that. So anything when I care come give him, dash it away and go suck your mother, cause so you stay. I'm going to tell you, since you were, I can tell you, I'll tend to talk back to me for the rest of the century. I'm glad your blood clot trouble me, because you didn't have to come down. Lift up off your blood clot, boy, because you have roaches in your closet too. You see, just like how you bring him down, bring down your blood clot self too. And go suck your mother. Remember the first time, when me get introduced to him, I'm going to come back a foreign. I'm going to call my man and I say, babes, you know, so me buy some things. Why your son size? Him come over, he was at your house that day. Me and him up on the phone. He was at your house and him said to you, say, you know, so I want to buy some things, see, baby. Me don't want none from your girl, them. Me don't want none. And him turned to him and said, tell her, say it's not me. And me tell her for say so. Tell him for say so. And him say, yo, what the fuck do you? I'm a sister. And my sister send something for him. And I don't know what blood clot wicked Cindy do. Cindy give her one size so she just make up in her head. Guys, a $500 worth of clothes I buy for the local boy. I'm not afraid for talk. And none of them fit. I remember when him call her, when the clothes them come, I'm carried for him. And him call her and say, you don't know the baby side. No blood clot asks me nothing, hang up her phone. No ask me nothing, I never give her size already. I remember that like it was yesterday. You's a bitter, look out, suck out, fuck out, girl. You's a bitter blood clot, girl. I saw you did have problem with the first woman. And you're roping it. Let me tell you this, you know. You could never use no fuck argument and come blood clot kill me. And all if you have, come post all your message them when you're in my class and I bring me down. Because here, you know, remember say me no put nothing past man. I remember when man want fuck, you know. Man tell you no anything. And one thing me know about blood clot man. Man we bring down them woman to get some pussy. But me I tell you why you look worse than him. Because man where you bring down pan the blood clot media say him is not a good father. You should not fuck him. Me not fuck no boy when I mind me blood clot pitney. Idiot blood clot girl. So when you feel like say you bring him down and you want to come bring me down because you have two look fuck for come talk about. Come talk about your fuck, you look worse than him. Because if a boy now mind my blood clot pitney like when you claim, you can't fuck me. Go suck your mother Cindy. You don't know me a blood clot said for you. Because you come live from my blood clot block. And I chew him make me not answer your blood clot long time. But chew your sister you shade. And me not say nothing no. You got to do direct message now. And then you that. And I know me not call any name from my life, you know. Me just say, anybody who have nothing to say, Ray. Chew you know so you trouble me. You come in my comment section. I come talk up your mouth. Remember, say me not do online badness. So anyway you see me, just do what you have to do. But a media you carry some media you got blood clot get it. No girl pan this car style and bring me down. And not get it blood clot back. So go for your army. And you bring it pan the media. You can go over her page and say all I share them what she drop. You the things, me I tell you now again. Cause everything I talk. I'm not afraid for blood clot talk. Me da Jamaica. When me da foreign and Kingston da Jamaica, me can call and say, do something for Kingston. So me feel like say, me supposed to can do something for him too. True or false, guys? True or false? You know what, yeah? She bring down the man. Bring down. No. Anytime girl bring down man just give them a suck your mother and done. Man no care about pitney, man no care about you, cause man inna them feelings. Me I tell you what me do, guys, and tell me if I'm wrong. I go around feeling back, behind him back, cause you not gonna come talk your side of the story and left out nothing, cause suck your mother. Me go behind, feeling back, and call a family member that she associates with. And say, ask her! What do she want me to do to help? She said she don't want nothing from that girl there. Me don't want nothing for nobody. Anything what them want do them for do. Them for do. Listen now. Them can do. Remember, y'all bring him down. And I'm my man. So anyway, him fall shot, me I got blood clot catch him. All of him have 150 woman. Anyway, him fall shot, me I got catch him. Because every time me fall shot, him catch me. I saw relationship go down. No so relationship go. Right, Louise? Come on if I fuck with me at talk. Okay. I call back the family member. And the family member tell me what she say. Family member say she say if you want to do it, you have to do it. Listen guys. I tell the family member say, okay. Me I go do what me I do. But don't even just tell her say it's not me. You can put the family member up on the phone. I say just do what you go do. Me I go and fill in. Because I'm up in them feelings right now. And him not take no talk from nobody. So you see, before we make this get out of hand, mind you guys, before she start act out like this, she already put a bad taste in my mouth. Because I tell her, I must see her a class and I bring me down. And when your teeth and going off for one, yeah man, I see her class and bring. And when you find a big idiot girl, she love you till she fool, you find a next clown and you bring me down. And normally when a girl see things like that, them not even look for you pitney, but me's not that girl. Because you have a class and bring me down. Now your business that. Me is not the same. Use a fuck out. Me's a fucking. Not the same. In and out. In and out. In and out. I am in and you are out. I love that. Whenever me I go to Jamaica, him can tell you. I always ask the baby, what you want me to carry for you? Him always want a little tie. Or whatever. Ties or whatever. Him never shot or nothing. Because she herself come a foreign and buy down the world fame. I'm the gear one top ranking there, so I'm going to pop you up for you. Give me a shirt. Give me a shirt with your badge, your blood clot. You see her shirt, yeah? I mean, I say, yeah, she carry back a whole heap of clothes or something. See your badge just in the by your shirt. Pop off it, blood. Pop off your... And dash it through blood clot window. Move. Now get no badge. Go suck your mother. Move. Come in the gear one little badge when you do it. Pop off your blood clot badge. My son pop off our blood clot badge. Move. Suck your mother. Move. Come here to give that. I see all the mother things. The facts are you have him 24/7. You do mother things. So me give you your badge. But me pop off bucket blood clot. Cause suck your mother. But Cindy, I did sodomite. And Tenn makes you feel like somebody. But Cindy, I did bad, man! Wow! Cindy, I'll get to. Cindy, I'll get. Bad freak. I send it out. But, I understand. Cindy, I understand. Cindy, that's not a right. Yeah. Then that's why she torment, cause the first man makes she feel like she has somebody. No, it's not a story. I am seeing today. The first girl that talk argument no Cindy good. Murder. Cindy did a sodomite, manamite, bonamite, friendamite, bumbleclot. You're pestimite man, Cindy. No man. Cindy come like you're every mite. Grassmite. Badmite. And you come from media done people. Catamite. Termite. Dogamite. No man. You're mighty. I chew as a fellow batty girl. Alive! Send your pussy active door. But, hey. No, I understand it. No. It make perfect sense. The boy will still fuck you, Cindy. Can't give a fuck you, your friend. The boy will still fuck you for true. The boy will still fuck you for true, Cindy. What to bad? What do the boy? What do I? We still did. Jamila, come here. If we still did for sure. Cindy got the glimmer to go with it and the sodomite style. Ray. Cindy the girl them say use a shit a man. Murder. You often know some torment here. Remember somebody did on cussing strike and I could cuss again. And you got the wrong thing and trouble me. You know how long me you want cuss and be myself. Wow. I'm orange juice done. You know, saying all of that though, guys, he has never said it, he has never judged her. Him always call her him baby mother. Bad to bad. A boy never bring you done. Bad to bad, me can't keep that. That boy never bring you done more than a regular argument. Send him over blood clot and suck her mama Ray. Same thing what you would do. Big pussy boy, big pussy girl. He has never bring you down in no way. So all the way you do, did unblood clot necessary. He's just a wicked girl. I mean, I want to come about it. Me don't know what kind of almighty secret. But see, the member me not share. Because I fuck out the church and then catch me, I can't tell life first. Anything do me contact. Anything you know me never talk yet, you give me an opportunity for talk. So bossy bam there. Drop it now. Drop it though. Because I never trouble you. And first, I only pitney. And have to worry yourself, me now have none. Me a girl me have outside no cocoa melon no blood clot. No time. My cocoa melon free no blood clot. A while ago Kingston Granny called me and said, where you do summer? Come I want to keep him the whole time. Keep him, Granny, come outside. You're crazy where Pitney go. And guys, in all of this, oh, Cindy the on the media done him. Cindy just have a new baby. Cindy, where you want? Where you want to tell me, sir? Feel Pitney? Because you don't give one next man, you know. So make one way for that I bomb where you want to drop. If you didn't get a fucking off. So Cindy, you don't wicked for yourself, though. Come in, if you want to mind two of them. Are you sure? Cindy, blink if you need help. Guys, if you want, we can raise a GoFundMe money and make you go do some nails. Cindy, are you sure? I knew baby me I talk about. I know my boy. You don't give me boy already. Say if I no feel him or no feel or a feel or feel him, we still love him. I feel him. I feel him. Big him up. My baby that. Jerry dead. Jerry dead. You have to stick tomorrow. Jerry dead. Cause me could never have a next baby father and a next baby and tormented all about my blood clot first baby father. For what? For blood clot what? Cause one thing I know about man when them pick you up with pitney, then do feed two of them. Then do feed blood clot two of them. Me could have one new baby father. Just have me pitney. My pitney not even one blood clot good. I'm over here tormented about first baby father. You're sick in your delusion. You're writing a message to me delusion and Cindy. Look at you now. Cindy. Look at you now. You have to make it echo. I mean, the looks at that are you. Me not pray for a blood clot. When the woman attacked her baby father, this is about a year ago, the woman class and bring me down. You do with this frighten Friday, the girl frighten for you. This, that. I see him where you did frighten for him, Cindy. Because you fucking funny. You go tell, you go talk, but the girl look her blood clot money. I must have 10 pet them bad long time, Cindy. Make your friend look her money and hustle for the next blood clot, boy. You was a friend, he's a friend of mine. Move your blood clot. You was a friend of mine, Cindy. You was a friend of mine, move your blood clot. Gotta get out there, sir, hustle for our next blood clot, man. You go tell. Move your blood. You was a friend of mine now, blood clot. Move. Friend of mine, girl. Go ahead. And the girl go hustle. And you go talk for the girl. Go tell the girl, man, then take the girl, man. And breathe for the girl, man. Move your friend of mine, blood clot. Jamila, any day me a hustle all one boy, you go call my name. Me abandon your house. Cause boy, we take them things, me could take them blood clot things. You're crazy. Anyone that would go talk on me and you about somebody, me go abandon in the blood clot house. Cause me say me go to some my money. Remember good no? As long as we not run no pussy, we good. Be a things at more. So boy, look my wall, my foot broke. All when me walking, him have to just know say, hey, me tell you my foot broke, it broke. I never want this smoke. I never want to do this. That's why I stayed out of it. But you wanted this. Come in and know if in your wild dream of the things I'm afraid of you. I never challenge you, but make you show your shit because I respect him. And this is your fight with him. And I respect the baby more. But you wanted this. So I hand it to you on a platter. One thing you gotta do a cry piece. I see where you got you, you know. Never say nothing. You hold it like a G. Me have to respect you because you not do social media for nothing. All when them a kill you over social media. But man, me not lie, you a real man. Because boy, them would run out long time like Derek. You not run out. You go just hold it. Me done. We're done, guys. We're done. You done talk? You done talk and we're going to listen. Thank you for the run, though. I like that for me. It was a good run. Glad the party not turning off quick. Hear me, I said that team. Pack up on the things. The party done. The party is over. I am sorry. The police came and turned it off. And unfortunately, we didn't pay a lot of money for the venue. And it is over. You can go on now. Yeah. Nashi is at the gate. No. Yeah, no. All right, guys. Guys, if anybody just paid their money and come into the party, I am very sorry. This is no refund. It was on the flyer. It is no refund. Take up on a garbage. Take up on a garbage and all of these things. Just don't leave. No charge. Jerk chicken lady must leave or sell a jerk chicken from the outside. There is no refund, guys. No refund. So everybody who just coming at the dance, the party over. The party is finished. The party is over, guys. The cops came and they turned it off. And what they telling us, we never have no permit. This is not Sting, guys. This is not Sting, guys. Clean and fresh like a gungo boy. Smell sweet like food on Sunday time. These them come from Kakanine. On the wrong song. From a little bit. Fuck me a girl with my little dick. On the wrong song. See the song, yeah. See it, your team. Ready with just a few. Fuck up the party, Y'all up at the party. You never believe in our asses. Why? Come to all our vibes. Big missionary. One more pocket, hey. Send me the lure. You're cancer girl. I know you're coming to party, don't move. Where you smelling? Where? Threat girl. Threat girl. Threat girl. When they be my boss. Now we feel like we get mad. Come on, guys! Woman, you're so rich out here! Hey! Machine I grab can. Me a tell I do a bread, not tab on a puller. The style I keep them like Ricardo, full of them shimmy. Alright, sit down. I'm a straight cheese much with me. Hey, I'm an image talk to me, my body where you eat. Suck your mother, girl. Oh, the one. Come on, front that way, this one look good. If easy attack and the shit, somebody look good. I want to burn them when you see me touch a road. Every watch it girl, you can't stop it was a joke. And then the pussy run up, I go get bully told. Right now, we in a me mood. And you see, I know me man, if you catch a boost. From 6 man, I walk while them a snooze. Cause me love clocks, me no wear and they get a boot. Yeah, them a wonder how me really want some. What's up when I give a full of elegance?
like Fidel Castro.